Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami's re-edition is making waves. But why pay hundreds when you can recreate the luxury vibe for less? Want to add a touch of Louis Vuitton luxury to your vanity? Today, I'm transforming my Spell on You fragrance with a luxe-inspired DIY. Hey, fragrance lovers! Welcome back to the handbag heaven for another Make It episode. Each episode, we explore the art of crafting, restoring, and reimagining luxury pieces. Whether we're creating from scratch, upcrafting, or bringing life back to old favorites, follow me on my journey to becoming an artisan in luxury leather goods and spark your own creativity along the way. So, thank you for joining me on the journey from collector to creator, making luxury personal. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite Louis Vuitton fragrances, Spell on You. This gorgeous scent is a blend of floral and sensual notes with hints of iris, rose, and musk. It's so captivating, and it makes me feel irresistible every time I wear it. Do you already have the Spell on You fragrance? If so, this DIY is perfect for you. Do you own any of the Louis Vuitton fragrances? If so, this DIY is for you. Are you planning to purchase a fragrance? Yes, you guessed it. This DIY is for you. Let me know in the comments which fragrance you own or are planning to purchase. I mean, who wouldn't want a little magic in a bottle? But speaking of magic, let's talk about something equally spellbinding. The Louis Vuitton fragrance travel cases. Ever since I brought my Louis Vuitton fragrance, I have been trying to decide which fragrance travel case I want to add to my collection. Louis Vuitton has released them in several different colors and sizes. But have you seen this one from the Louis Vuitton and Murakami multicolor collection? It's sleek, luxurious, and designed to protect your fragrance while you're on the go. I'm seriously thinking of adding one to my collection. Now, I used to think I didn't need a travel case because I already have my niece BB Vanity case and this vintage Louis Vuitton trunk. If you love vintage pieces like I do, you're going to want to check out my vintage trunk restoration video. I'll link it below. Trust me, it's a must-see. Despite owning the case and trunk, I'm still looking to add a fragrance travel case to my collection. Did you know that Louis Vuitton did an early release of some items from the Cherry Blossom collection? The release included this Spell on You decorated in the beautiful cherry blossom, and this fragrance case with the design. I tried to get my hands on the case, but it was sold out. If you were like me and wasn't able to get your hands on the case, I have another option. I saw this leaked pic of this limited edition Spell on You fragrance that includes this glass enclosure. I'm not sure if this will be released in the US or what it will cost, but seeing this gave me an idea. I decided to create my own glass enclosure. For those of you who already own the Spell on You like I do, or any fragrance from Louis Vuitton you want to keep watching, get ready to get a similar look for less. I'm taking my Louis Vuitton Spell on You fragrance and giving it a little cherry blossom makeover, all with some super affordable materials. If you love luxury but don't want to break the bank, this DIY is for you. You don't have to be an artist or spend a ton to get that high-end designer look. Let's dive in and get creative. It's a super easy DIY project. Here's what you need to make your own luxury enclosure. 1. A glass enclosure. I found this one on Amazon. Perfect for showcasing your favorite fragrance. First, I went straight to Amazon to find a glass enclosure similar to the one in the picture. I found this one. So the wood bottom is not the same color. I can always stain it or paint it another color. I ordered it. And when it arrived, I decided I was going with the original finish. 2. These cherry blossom stickers, also from Amazon. I considered painting the design on the glass. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not a professional artist. I thought about using stencils. But while looking for stencils, I found these cherry blossom transfer stickers. These are even better than stencils because I don't have to paint, which will save so much time. I ordered them and they arrived in 2 days. So it comes with several different designs. This design is perfect for this project. Did I mention these stickers work great on glasses? I love it when a project just comes together. I wanted to add some sparkle. I don't know if you can see in the picture of the enclosure, but there is some sparkle. I remembered that I have some rhinestones from a previous project I did, so that's pretty much everything I need. 3. Stones and glue for design. This is optional. 4th, and of course, your Louis Vuitton fragrance. I have a link to everything in the description. Step 1, design your vision. The next thing I did is decided on how I was going to create the cherry blossom design. Similar to the inspiration here, I'm planning to add the cherry blossoms to the glass closure. I'm thinking I'll add them in the front and the top of the glass, but not all over the glass. I'm also going to add some bling to the center of the cherry blossom flowers. Not all, but a few. So plan where you want to add the stickers on the glass. Now that we have a design plan, let's move on to step 2. Step 2, prep the glass. You definitely want to clean the glass for a smooth surface to apply your stickers. It will be much easier for the stickers to adhere to the glass. I used a little Windex to clean the glass. Step 3. You want to cut out the stickers you plan to use. I am using the transparent flowers and the color ones like this. I'm also using the smaller petals. Once they are cut out, then you can apply the stickers following the instructions provided. To apply, first remove the transfer sticker. Then place the cherry blossom sticker where you want it on the glass. Then rub it really good to make sure it adheres to the glass. I use this spatula. It's a bit big and bulky, but it gets the job done. Once it's secure, then gently remove the protective film. Continue this until you have added all of the flowers and petals. For this project, I'm keeping it simple. I'm not trying to make it look exactly like the Louis Vuitton piece. Look, my style is personal. I'm going to do me. So feel free to get creative and make it your own. Step 4, glue the stones. I'm going to glue a stone on the center of each of the larger transparent flowers. I'm using this jewel picker to grab the stone. I'm using my E6000 glue to adhere the stone to the glass. So I'm just adding a little glue to the picker. Next, I'm using it to pick up the stone. Now I'm applying it to the glass. I will repeat this until I have added stones to all of the transparent flowers. Now that I have added all of the stones, it's time to let the glue dry. Step 5, add your fragrance. Now that the glue has dried, you are ready to add your fragrance. I have added my Spell on You fragrance. And this luxe-inspired fragrance enclosure is complete. It turned out great. I spent less than $50 for the entire project, minus the fragrance. Not bad, right? Now I want to know, did you try this project? Comment below and let me know how it turned out. Also, share your results with me via Instagram. If you love this luxe-inspired DIY, stay tuned for the next video, where I'll be showing you another DIY project inspired by the Louis Vuitton and Murakami re-edition collection. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next luxury DIY.